So one of the things that you can do is insert out charts easily in document that you have generated in Terabox. So to insert out chart, let me just press enter after the paragraph right here. And now in order to go ahead and insert in chart, I can click on the plus button right here, or I can go around over here onto the insert on the top and then go around over here onto chart right here. So here you can see that there's different charts that you can insert out. For example, a bar chart right here. You can go ahead and click on edit and then change around the category as you want. You can even go ahead and click the plus button to add it in. And then let's say, for example, I can go ahead and change around the label and the numbers as I want as well, just like this. So I can go around and say something like value right here and confirm it out. So apart from that, I can go ahead and then add in different sort of charts right here. For example, I can go around over here and insert a line graph, which you can go ahead and edit out as well. And apart from that, you can also go around over here and click on pie chart right here, just like this, and edit it out as well, as you can see, just like this. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.